OrderFlowAi, the complete setup, in 10 minutes from download to live order flow. Step 1. Connect a Level 2 data feed. Best is Rithmic, the most accurate market depth. In the NinjaTrader options, multi-provider on, dark skin, and symbology set to exchange. Important: turn on Show Tick Replay, otherwise the order flow has no history. Import the add-on. Tools: Import NinjaScript add-on. NinjaTrader compiles automatically. Open an ES chart, 1 minute. Tick Replay on and load 3 days of data. Add the OrderFlowAi indicator. Paste your license key, clear the label field. Optional clean look: chart trader on, watermark and grid lines off. Install the app and activate it with your license key. And then it runs live order flow, Heatmap, DOM, and CORTEX, your neural order engine in real time. Finally, save your workspace. Then you only start the app next time. OrderFlowAi. Ready.